Hi guys, welcome back to the Leah channel, the Leah tribe, the Leah family, Leah fambam. I know I haven't posted in a while, but reasons I'm kind of inconsistent with certain things, so may I work on it. But anyways, welcome back guys, and in this video I'm going to be talking about my journey growing up as an Adventist. Well, being conceived as an Adventist, because I'm basically them married and did in the church. So my born there, so conceived and everything, and then born. You see, as an Adventist growing up, especially when you look, I can't tell you nothing from when I talk. I don't know nothing about them. So, people, some people will say, I've been singing from I was 2 years old. I can't tell you that because I don't know. And I'm not have no recording of what me did when me at all. So anyways, the one thing me used to love about Friday evening, Sabbath, when you're picnic, it's when you come home from school, Friday evening, everything we have to do with school, lock off, no homework now do, no studying now go on. You reach home, book put on in our corner, your school bag put on, your school bag for put on, and I eat that till Sunday evening, Sunday morning, bright and early, after you done your chores. Understand? And I don't know, sometimes you hear some pitney, them gone home and you hear them and I say, take out your book, mama say you do a school today. When Friday come, none of them something didn't happen. Not one of them something there, no go on. It's like everything when I have to do with God and Sabbath, you get rest from it. You understand? You are resting from it. So we are rest from homework, we are rest from studying, we are rest from a whole heap of other things. But you see the bad part? Because you have good and bad and everything. You see the bad part though? Me and my sister used to sneak and listen to the music. Them kind of people them in front of us used to play them. Because a weekend, so the people them turn on them song for them set up for the weekend and them something, the party and everything. I was sitting on the outside part, not really outside, but like a veranda. Yeah. And we there and we are listening and we are going, and when mommy them come, we go and like we are talk about quarterly and them something there. And then we sit down and sometimes we are climb on the ladder for looking through the window for because of them when they watch Family Guy. Look through the window, we are say, alright, you actually you me watching up now, you go and go watch now. We just sneak through the window, just peep through the window. And then when mommy come, we start sing, I will start talk about, we're going to do a church tomorrow and wait it. Cause what? You're tempted for watch Family Guy because the TV load, so you hear going and it's funny. Well, it was funny. And the music, the way they say, so we have temptations all around we. But we came out victorious, I guess, in a way, because see me here still. The next thing was Idonia. Why my mother fast and pray. What a pretty bug. What is that, mommy? Mommy, what? Yeah. Sorry about that. My addiction was Idonia. Yeah. Idonia. Lord, my mother pray, my mother fast. My sister pray, my father. Every day them down in my ears later. Clean and dirty wine cannot into the same vessel. Irritating. But listen, the first time me hear Idonia was something I feel. Me na silver sip papas and me hear the song. Then me say from somebody van. And me say, who that? Who the man there? And from that, it's like I go dig up every song for the man from the first song straight down. I must know, I don't know who him sing, because you stop to listen to them thing, then you give them thing there. But man, a whole heap of years of prayer and fasting, man. Whole heap. I'm not going to tell no lie. Me used to say to people, say, it's not some fantasize about him or them something, they know. It's just that because I don't know him as a person. If you like him, right, but me love him as an artist because that's all me know him as. You understand? That's all I knew him as. So you could have said nothing bad about him around me. You could have messed up him lyrics. You could have get nothing wrong when you sing it. me did just so defensive about him, and so I don't know, but God alone did have to help me get over that. Let me tell them. And thank God, I'm a living testimony that I am over it, because you know, you want to live. If you live for Christ, you live for Christ. You don't want to live for Christ and the world and everybody else. You represent Christ, you cannot represent nobody else. I'm not so perfect yet. Still have temptation, still fall a lot of times. But I know say, me not stay down. Not a behind. Not staying down, because when you stay down, you can basically say you're dead. As long as me alive, me I fight it. Me not go give in to all of them. Because some of them, you don't even know, so you give in till you're in a one situation and you say, when this happen? But, ow, not give in. Anyways, I have to change, guys, because courage, I'm courage now. Anyways, a courage or a courage? Any one of them, me and them not agree. So I put on my sweatpants. So yeah, now we're there at primary school. Yeah guys, in a primary school now, could go Miami go run, cause Sabbath. Could play netball, cause Sabbath. But you know, in all of that, it may it did disappointing, but it never disappointing, because you as a child, you just feel good for no say yeah, stand up. Yeah, stand up for what you know is true and what is right. Regardless of the fact say yeah, it may develop in something where make you make a whole heap of money. But you know, say at the end of the day, standing up for God, it feels so much better than getting money by not standing up for God. I don't want to put it in a way where it sound a way or load. So yeah, and now high school. Never have nothing in high school. I did hate high school. I hate school bad. I hate every school. I don't like going to school. I just go there because I know something to do, and the reward might be good. I don't know how. But high school did alright. I never got nothing to keep at my school. Because the people them put me in a burgundy house. I don't know what kind of color that. Me I come out of primary school, Wonder World, and them school they were me in a greenhouse, and if I go in high school, I go come put me in a burgundy. What the hell is burgundy? How that even reaching a sports? Like, oh, you go put everybody in a burgundy? No, so I'm not going to no sports. I'm not participating in nothing. I'm not going to fit no nothing. I just anything keep me use that as an opportunity for sleep and just stay in, because I never social from morning to all that. You know, so college now. I'm not even going to go into the full details about certain things, but college now we're talking about Sabbath. We're not talking about what we go through. Sabbath, when I say go through, I talk in terms of nothing we have to do with Sabbath or Christian. I talk about like overall life, how we struggle. I'm not talking about no struggles, I talk about Sabbath right now. In our college, I remember practical was on Sabbath one day, and I never go. Because we're Adventist, and me I stand up from me that primary school, so why am I going to change in our college? So, practical, we did for build stairs, girl buy up our boot, everything. And when me look me say upon Saturday, I say, oh well, I did really want to build a stairs and get into, you know, one little section of construction, because I love construction, but when I get the chance, well, I do it every time I get the chance to do it. I do anything in it I can do. But for like go to school and do it, when I get to do it. Because it was night class, and my mother said, you're not going to no more night class because you don't like to take bus and taxi and you will walk. So she said it's not safe, so could get to do that. Anyways, man say, I have to go do extra classwork because them don't understand how me must have practical and talk about I'm going to church. So I just I say, but I'm going to talk about Jesus pecan on the Sabbath. I say stairs is not food. That is nothing to disregard the Sabbath or give up the Sabbath for. No. I see me here, graduate from college. Not doing what I graduate and get, but I still at work, thank God. And because me left, me graduate from the college day. And as a jobsman, ask me if me draw one something yet. I'll know, but me wait upon God. God know when at the right time. I just have to take it easy and go on. Him know when he will kick me off in the right way. And when him do it well done. Because I never have to do nothing forget it. Never have to do nothing illegal forget it or do when me there. Him know when at the right time. Not saying that others do. If you don't come here to watch my video and feel offended because me talk about me, and I not even know what you know I do, listen to me, don't bother with it. Me talk about me, I don't know what you know I do. And sometimes the more you know, the safer it be and the better it is. Me, so when it come on to Sabbath, me see you a certain way. Yes, other aspects of my life, me need to sort out because you know anytime you're good in one thing you're always down in one other part, but me I get there sometimes. As I say, temptation me give in, and sometimes I not even know, so me give in till me reach in one way where me I say, oh, me never saw Jesus God of Nazareth. But you see the best part is when you can realize and you catch yourself before you're gone too far, you understand? And mosquito listen to me. Sure. Anyways, so the part of me then of my journey now from primary school, I'm proud of myself because boy, girl did rude certain way. And people say I'm sneaking, but I not call it sneaking. I just call it, you don't know me and certain things you just don't need to know. Especially the fact that I now work advertise and I look friendship for say, this is how I am, be my friend. No, if there's not a case where I don't need to open my mouth around you, I'm not going to do it. So you don't gonna know what me I think, what me would I do. No, I'm not sneaking, I'm just it's just not your business in a more polite way. You know, like some people who advertise themselves, oh, I like to do this, and them tell us something. Sometimes I say, like, you tell people them things, eh? Like, you're not afraid people use it back on you and them something. That's not me. But certain things, and you see, that I when me in a one decent mood. You see, when me in a one mood now, when me not care, I still not gonna tell you anything we don't need to know, but, like, when me not in a one mood, when me not care, anything come out my mouth, it just come out. Not anything derogative or anything. But spiritual wise from my journey, I might have to do a part 2 because I'm not going into full details because me have phone problem and space problem as well. So, because I record the video already and boy, it never work out because I did it too long and it never did upload or something. So that one you know me I try for just snip, do little pieces and just try get it in. So I'm just here to encourage not only youths, because you know we love course my youths and not say the old people them need encouragement too, because sometimes most of them gonna accept you, them go and this them know everything and them not young people I tell them nothing. But if you encourage the older people as well, older youths and the younger youths and the youths, that you see on that journey it not go easy. If it did easy, everybody would have do it. Everybody, I always say it, you know, if heaven did easy for go where you go walk on the streets or go and all them something there, everybody would have did it. Everybody would have did it. And then them will carry them dirty behavior, they go the same way because them not go through nothing for change. So them probably will all take up the gold off of the ground and I'll sell it. But you have to go through things, for purge your character, purge yourself. How would you call me? Yeah guys, I hope you, as I said, you enjoyed the video. And I hope you share it with someone because it might not mean nothing to you, but to somebody else it can be encouraging. So please share this with your family, your friends, your enemies. Share it with your enemies so them can know so they must love you. You know? And be nicer people. Share it with your family. Share it with your sister, your brother, your uncle, relatives and everybody. Just please share. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And I pray this will be a blessing to you guys. As I said, I have more things to say, but that would be a part 2. This is just a little rundown summary and them something there. Probably what I will do is like go into more details. So for your next video now, we say alright, the life at primary school. You know, say me I go kill a mosquito, yeah. The life the life at primary school. Going through primary school, going through high school, going through college. I don't know if you're interested in that. Probably not got interested till you not hear it. Cause my life did nice. My life ill and gully. Ill and gully. But God bring me through it. So God will carry us through it. Alright? I'm just there for encourage. Encourage and pray for you. And make you know say the battle may be hard that one day. But in the end, victory is ours, you know. We will triumph in Jesus' name. We will triumph. So don't be discouraged. And after me discouraging, I'm face to myself, say, Leah, look where God bring you from. Where you really are sitting afraid of this? No girl, do better. But we'll talk more. I'll do more videos and all these lovely things and all these niceness. I'ma probably do that still. College life. Not much ever going to my college life, you know, because when school done, me go to my yard. Sorry, I'm still going to play them, you know, and I drink nothing and them. I don't. I don't want to be around anybody that much. I'm already in a class. We don't know. Unfortunately, it's not anything I can control, because online class never did I keep them time there. But I love the people that did they run in a group B. Niceness. Them are hypocrite, but them nice. Nice people. Nice people. The girl them, as I say, hypocrite, but nice. They are nice people, but them just, yeah, the man them, that God. Nice. Them play game so till, I don't know, it's like every break them get them gone on FIFA, them gone on all sort of sitting. But me love Group B. And the people that come from over Group A, in a Group B, yeah, I think I did 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. Yeah, me like them. Big up themselves. And Group A did have some nice people too. Nice people. Them selfish, but them nice. At the end of the day, a nice people they go to school there. So, big up on yourself, big up all of the people them from Dr. Bird. Because of that house they alone you represent. I represent. I don't know no other house. And they will never. And the one them from a primary school as well. I'm a teacher them from primary school. Yeah, big up on a nice clean self. Where else? And from my church, Sandy Park SDA. Yes, big up on yourself, nice people. Nice people. The local country church in town. That's us. Yes, people. So, thanks for watching. Love you guys. See you next time. Hopefully, I become more consistent. I'm trying. I'm really trying to be more consistent. I'm busy like a bee. Somebody said to me, said I'm the busiest lazy person, you know. And I don't feel no way, but take it as a compliment. Although the busy now get me no money. But maybe one day it will. Cause girl broke like what. But God will make a way. God is good. Through everything, God is good. Magnificent. And all of them something there. So guys, hold on to Jesus. Stay in the boat. Stay in the ark. Stay in the ark. You're safer inside than outside. And not just the truth. It is just the truth. When you're dead, you know you're dead in a Christ. And you might have a guarantee for heaven. Because you can in the boat and still live wayward. And you can outside and live better than those who are in the boat. But just know where you stand. Have a relationship with God. Sort out yourself. You see, when we sort out ourselves, the world will become better. We can't want to change people when we want change. sort out yourself. See God agree with me, rain start fall. And just make God have his way in our life. So guys, thanks for watching. As I said, big up on a nice self, a nice pretty self. God make beautiful people. And we our dirty ways turn ourselves into ugly people. So let us all become beautiful. We are already beautiful in God's eyes. Let us become beautiful ourselves. You see how I'm black and nice and pretty? Oh my Lord. I could have been a muggle. Them need to call me for muggle for them. Anyways, yeah guys, later. And as I say, I'm going to try to be consistent. Thanks for watching. Thanks for staying so long for watching. Because I know it now, full of excitement and them something. And people love excitement. I'm about a life there every day. It's a once in a blue moon type of thing. So, thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sharing. And more I share it so till people tie down and say, just because you annoy me, that time I just go just click on it and done. Because they might find something that's profiting to them and encouraging to them. So share till them cuss you and annoy you. If them block you, tell me talk to them. But please share, and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you guys. Thank you very, very much. I love you all. It's $2 or it's tata or what am I say? I want to find one word for myself when nobody no use. I don't want to say bye-bye because I go come back. So I go rig up one word in my head. Because I love make up words and I'm known for that. Make up my sentences. I have my own dictionary. So I'm going to make up one word and come back and I'm going to start use it. So I say bye, Leah tribe, Leah fam, Leah family, everything. And I know say my word that time. If you don't hear nobody else with it, you don't make me know. Alright? Later guys.